Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another business update for the week ending July 11th. And we're going to cover simplifying the business complexes and just look at the numbers for the progress. And so, yeah, let's get right into it. I will go ahead and share my screen. It's not frozen. It's frozen. There we go. All right, there we go. Should be seeing my screen here soon. Okay. Just make sure you can see everything good. Okay. So for the week ending July 11th, we had a total of 248 customers. We had added 9 customers in the last week. 2 of those were rent to own for a total of 22%. We had 1 customer churn. This customer consistently was paying late, paying with cash, stringing us along, saying they were going to add payment. As soon as they add payment, other people took payment out, and it was just a big headache. And so we decided to just go ahead and move on, even though they had some money to pay or could pay most of their bill. It's just not worth the amount of effort that we're putting into contacting them to get them to pay money. We did have 4 churned customers, which was kind of a lot compared to previous weeks. Just people saving up, buying their own machines, people moving, people getting harassed by their neighbors needing to move. And so, yeah, just had more churn than we usually have, but what do you do? Of the 9 customers, 3 of them signed up for the limited damage waiver. We got 2 Google reviews. We got 4 video testimonials. We have 437 machines out, 18 new ones. We had 19 customers as of this morning in collections, so 7.6% of our total customers. Monthly recurring revenue is up to $16,972. Added 629 in new recurring last week. So far, we've spent $21,000 on marketing since September of last year. Acquisition costs went down a little bit at 85 overall. We spent 417 on marketing last week, which I feel like maybe that's a little bit off. Actually, no, that should be right, because it should be Facebook ads and then door hanger people. That number should go up this week for column J. Total customer acquisition costs. So that's for this week. We did 3 swaps / repairs last week. We dropped 17 complexes. With this 17 complexes, I hired a bunch of different people to drop door hangers for us. We're paying $20 an hour. And yeah, we have one lady in particular that is just a beast and just dropping a ton of complexes with her family. Mainly it's just her, but she's also having her daughter go and do it. So yeah, break even remaining, we're at 58, 97, and 84. I spent 144,000 so far in the business. Last week spent 1,068. And then we'll go over here to July. So far, with future bookings, the one booking should take us over 17,000. We've added 1,100 so far in revenue this month, spent 6,500, and this other stuff will be later. But yeah, so far 16 installs either done or scheduled, which is a little bit ahead of pace of 25 for last month, and we're at the 13th of uh, July. So there's the update. Um, stop sharing and just come back here to my normal screen. So this week I talked with my wife and my mom and another person in the rental business about ideas of things we're wanting to do. One of them that we thought we might try out is holding a catered dinner or lunch with property managers and then asking them to put our flyer in their new resident move in packet. But it just feels like a bit of a stretch. It might work, but sometimes you just got to simplify and just focus on what's working, which is Facebook ads, door hangers, and going to the offices and dropping flyers and door hangers there. So we're going to do that, and that'll simplify things, take some pressure off, make it a little bit easier to just do what's in front of us instead of just constantly trying to claw and scrape for every possible penny that we could get. And yeah, so we're going to do that. And then I mentioned the apartment complexes. We're doing that. I think we're going to try that for another few weeks just to see if it's worthwhile or if we should just stick to dropping door hangers at complexes that other customers have asked us to come and drop them at. So we'll do that. And then, yeah, so like the video, subscribe, comment below, hit the notification bell, leave your comments below on any questions or comments that you have. Love to hear them. And also note in the description of the video, we're starting to include 3 things. One, you can buy our English and Spanish contracts. Read the disclaimer. We're not financially or legally liable for anything that happens if you use those. You can look at this same exact spreadsheet and download that to use in your business. And then we also have opened up hour-long blocks for consulting calls. So any questions, strategy you want to discuss in your washer dryer business, you can go ahead, click the link below and schedule a time with yours truly, and I'll spend an hour with you. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.